Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are taking a deep dive into a piece of kitchen tech that promises to change the way you cook in small spaces. We are looking at the 1800-watt single-burner electric cooktop. If you live in a dorm, an RV, or just need an extra burner for those large holiday dinners, this infrared ceramic hot plate might be exactly what you have been looking for. Let us start with the performance. The standout feature here is the 1800 watts of power. Many portable burners struggle to reach high heat, but this one provides 17 adjustable levels. Whether you are searing a steak or slowly simmering a delicate sauce, the combination of the touch controls and the rotary knob gives you that tactile precision that most digital-only interfaces lack. One of the biggest headaches with modern induction cooktops is the requirement for specific magnetic cookware. You do not have to worry about that here. Because this is an infrared ceramic stove, it works with literally any flat-bottomed pan. You can use your stainless steel, glass, ceramic, cast iron, or aluminum pots without any issues. That versatility is a massive advantage for home chefs who do not want to replace their entire kitchen arsenal. The dual-mode cooking control is another highlight. You can toggle between wattage mode and temperature mode depending on the recipe. The temperature settings go from 60 to 700 degrees Celsius, which gives you a professional level of control. The built-in timer is also incredibly helpful for those hands-off meals, allowing you to set it for up to 180 minutes. Now, let us talk about the build. It features a marble glass surface and a durable aluminum body. It feels sturdy, and the integrated side handles make it very easy to move around your counter or pack away when you are finished. Safety is also addressed with a residual heat indicator, which is a vital feature for ceramic cooktops since the surface stays hot long after you turn it off. Are there downsides? The main thing to keep in mind is that because it is an infrared heater, the surface stays hot for a while after use, unlike induction models that stay cool to the touch. It also requires a bit more care to keep the glass surface clean if you have a boil-over. However, the benefits of using any pan you already own and the impressive heating speed far outweigh these minor maintenance points. In conclusion, the 1800-watt single-burner electric cooktop is a powerhouse for anyone who needs a portable, reliable, and versatile cooking solution. It is efficient, easy to control, and works with every pot in your cupboard. If you are looking to expand your kitchen capabilities without a permanent installation, this is a fantastic investment. Link in the description.